In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a PDF using PDFtk. Now, of course, you can do this using commands in your command prompt or PowerShell or terminal or whatever, but I'm going to show you how to do it practically inside PDFtk over here because I do think it's quite simple as well. So the first thing you have to do is add your PDF you want to split. So I'm going to click on Add PDF and I'm going to click on this one over here, which has 6 pages, which is going to be perfect for us. Now for this instance, we're actually going to go and split this document into 3 documents, and each of them is going to have 2 pages, okay? So to do this, it's actually super simple. You simply have to have this document, go to the far right and select how you want to split. So I'm going to double click in here, and my first document is going to have the first 2 pages. So I'm actually going to do it 1 to 2. You could also do it 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, whatever. I'm going to do it 1 to 2 over here because I only want the first 2 pages. As you can see, it says total output pages now is 2. If I go and click on Create PDF, I'm going to name this one Split 1, and I'm going to click on Save. It's going to save my PDF that's only going to have the first 2 pages. Then from here, I'm going to do 3 to 4. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to create one and name this one Split 2. And I'm going to click on Save, and then I'm going to do Split 3 as well, which is going to be 5 to 6. And again, I'm going to do Create PDF, name this one Split 3, and I'm going to click on Save, okay? Now, once you've done this, they're going to be saved wherever you've saved them, and if I show you this right now, I'm actually going to open all 3 of them over here. You'll see that this is going to be my Split 1 over here, which I'm going to show you in a second. There we go, I have the Split 1 over here, and this is the Split 1, which has like the first 2 pages over here, so 1 to 2, and then I do have the Split 2 as well. Split 2 is over here. These are the next 2 pages, and then I have like the third one over here as well, which, as you can see, has these 2 pages as well, okay? Now, these pages are similar, and that is because, of course, I had a combined merged PDF, which had the same pages, but if I go and over here, select, for example, 1 and 6 like this, it's going to put on the first and the last page. So let me show you how this works. If I do Create PDF, I'm going to do Split 4, and I'm going to save this. There we go. Let me actually open this up for you. You'll see that it's going to have the first and the last page. So there we go. As you can see, this is the first page, and then this is the last page. So that's essentially how to split your PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.